May ganyo natin yung Jaja, no edit, no filter, just me. And so for today's vlog, this vlog is about mga pangarap, pursuing your dreams and goals. So ayan, kung nandito ka sa akin channel, don't forget to subscribe. And guys, nga pala, so kung nandito ka is interesado ka, this is about mga dreams and sharing thoughts and mga experiences. So the title is Start Now and Pursue Your Dreams. So lahat tayo may kanya-kanyang journey, okay? So ako, i-share ko lang sa inyo na I'm working now as a OFW here in the ship, pero meron pa akong biggest dreams. While working, nag-iipon ako to pursue my dreams in the future. I want to have my own business and that is my dream. I don't see myself here on board na dito lang talaga ako. I see myself as I have a free hour, I have a free time, I have time to travel while earning money because I have my own business and that's what I like. I'm doing a blogs. I'm doing I have shops like in the online. I dream a lot because I believe nothing is impossible with God kung magpe-pray ka and you have a deep connection sa kanya. You have to trust him and you have to do your best para sa mga dreams mo. Kasi kung di mo gagawin yung best mo, is it worth it? Kung lahat ng bagay nakukuha mo sa madalian, is it worth it? No. You have to work hard for it. Lahat paghihirapan mo talaga. And lahat ng mga pinaghihirapan, end of the day, magkakaroon ng bunga or reward. God will give you the reward. And kung nakita niyang you deserve it, and it's time to give the best for you, the reward or your dreams, ibibigay niya yun sa'yo kung para talaga sa'yo yun. And lagi mo pag-pray, walang imposible sa kanya, okay? Maniwala ka lang at do your best every day. Meron nga ako nakausap kanina na ka-work ko din siya. May pagka-entitled siya. I mean, sabi niya, ginagawa niya rin yung work. Kinukuha niya pa yung work ko, yung mga trabaho ko. Akin na nga yun. Sabi niya, hindi daw siya tamad. Hindi naman daw siya katulad ng iba, tamad. Wala naman ako sinabing ganun. Masyado siyang defensive. Ano ba yung gagawin ko, 'di ba? Yung parang halimbawa is ginagawa ko yung job ko. Parang nakikipagpaligsahan, nakikipag-competition. Wala namang competition sa'min. Nakakaano lang kasi yung may mga taong ayaw nilang masapawan. Well, sa'kin naman is hindi naman ako nakikipagtalo or nakikipag-compete. Kasi hindi naman dito yung dreams ko. Sa kanya na yun. Kasi I hope one day I see him. Still, hindi naman ako nangangarap na I hope one day we see each other. Na ako, I have a free time to cruise, to travel a lot. And if nandun pa rin siya, then it's okay. What he want, then I'm happy for him. But I don't see myself na doon pinupursue ko yon. Sobrang galing niya daw doon. Masipag daw siya. Well, it's okay. Kasi hindi ko naman lahat bibigay yung energy ko sa isang bagay na sa tingin ko naman um, I deserve more. But gano'n naman ako. Everyday I give my best. Pero yung sobra-sobrang OA na, hindi naman ako gano'n. I think I deserve it para dun sa dreams ko. I think deserve yun ng dreams ko. Doon ko talaga bubuhos lahat. Okay, I hope may natutunan kayo dito sa vlog na to and comment down below kung nakaka-relate kayo sa akin. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel and click the notification bell for more upcoming videos. Kung bago ka na sa akin channel, mag-subscribe ka for more videos to come. And comment down below kung may natutunan ka. Bye! See you in my next vlog!